When we launched Zain, we made sure that top management embraces the brand. And from internally, we made sure that the brand values are we feel the brand values in everything we do. So once it's cascaded from top management downwards, literally that brand becomes a livable thing, a lively thing inside the organization. Now, this is internally. Externally, I think we promised a wonderful world, okay? And that promise gave the people in the Middle East, in the Arab world, something that to aspire for. And we were very lucky, and we're until now we're doing a advertising and communication that literally promises a wonderful world. So from the internal, even non-customer side, I think people embrace that wonderful world. People like it. We were able to fulfill the promise of a wonderful world with our customers, at least where we operate. And surprisingly, I'm here in Dubai, and I'm finding people telling me, we have a wonderful brand, even though we don't operate here. So it has been a good success. As you know, Zain has been a leader in testing new technologies, but adopting only the things that we feel that they will push us further. We were in HSPA 3G. We were actually, Bahrain was the first to launch HSPA in the Arab world. So in LTE, we already tested LTE in Saudi Arabia, in Kuwait, and in Bahrain. In Kuwait, we have a phenomenal, which is the broadband usage in Kuwait. It is the distribution of data versus voice is amazing. So I think LTE will do quite well in Kuwait, but in any case, we're pushing for it eventually, and we already tested, as I said, in Saudi and Bahrain. In other parts of the world, other side of our world, in lower GDP countries, we're launching HSPA, and we're literally maximizing the usage of HSPA and minimizing LTE usage on more developed broadband countries like the Gulf countries. I think this event is the main telecoms event in the region. We're proud and happy to be here, and thank you very much for your kind invitation. And I think it's good for every now and then to stop and think with other operators what's going to happen the next year, and review what happened in last year. I like this year particularly the customer focus. I think this some of us made us stop and think and review ourselves. We in Zain, luckily, we started the customer focus thing some time ago, but it's good now to listen from others. We listened today from Aramex, and I think it was quite an impressive experience. And it's about sharing and learning, and we're still a lot to learn, and this is why we're here. Glad to be here.